We are under attack.
I could be the next victim.
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 This attack doesn't discriminate.
Because of race, religion, gender, or age.
In fact, the younger, the better.
This assault is based on deception.
The goal is to make you a powerless addict.
This addiction is fueled
by secrecy and shame.
They don't want you to tell anyone that you suffer.
They don't even want you to think you're suffering at all.
Those behind the attack definitely don't want parents discussing this openly with their children.
They want to be the ones to educate on things like love,
intimacy, sex, relationships,
respect, and self-worth.
Parents, spouses, and children are all targets.
Families are in danger.
Not just mine.
But yours too.
What do we stand to lose?
Love.
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 Porn kills love.
So let's fight back.
One step at a time.
What's the first step?
Destroy the tendency of secrecy.
Bring this topic out of the dark and into the light.
Be open and non-judgmental about the topic of pornography.
Talk about it.
Get educated about it.
I need your help.
I need your help. I need your help.
I need your help. I'm turning 30 this year, and I'm sick of letting the porn industry destroy individuals and families. I want to build awareness. That's why I've decided to do 30 marathons in 30 days in handcuffs, which represent the chains of pornography. Help me as I perform 30 and 30 in handcuffs, because moments of bliss are not free. Let's pay the price. Let's fight.
Take a step.
Take a step.
Take a step and talk about the harmful effects of pornography with those you care about.
Your friends, family, and children are worth it.
You are worth it.
Break the chains of pornography addiction by joining the fight
at fightthenewdrug.org.